The boys have set up their dig site out here.
Mommy!
We have got cones to mark off our work area. Ah, our crane fell!
I'll get! Mommy, I'll do a bad way. He was digging. I want that! I want that. Mommy!
Yeah. You got a dump truck? Fill it up with some dirt. Dig up some dirt with your excavator.
Okay. Okay, today I got the excavator.
Hey, Moray, are you gonna help dig? Hey, Moray. This is Amore. Say hello.
We're trucking work.
Yeah, we're working hard here.
Hey, Dad.
Good job, Tristan.
Thank you, Tristan. Thank you for helping me.
That's a good job.
Tristan, I love you. Yeah.
Tristan loves you.
Yeah, Tristan, you like working, Daddy? Yeah. We're so hungry and missing and take the bathtub.
Yeah, we'll definitely have to take a bath.
And
That's okay, because right now we're just playing and having fun.
And the drinking. It's during.
Good job, Tristan.
Thank you, Tristan. You're right.
Good job. That was a big scoop of dirt.
Great job, Tristan.
Great job, Tristan.
I need a shovel too.
Yeah, you do. There's a shovel over there.
Wait.
Right there in your dig site next to your crane. You want me to send you your dump truck so you can fill it up? All right. There's your... Ah! It flipped!
Tristan, I fully dump truck. True. I will help Tristan.
Sure, you guys can fill that dump truck up really good.
We'll help.
Dig, dig, dig. Dig, dig, dig. Like the dwarf mine on Ben and Holly, huh? Yeah, we love Ben and Holly.
It will elf.
Yeah, we do love elves. Like Ben Elf.
Oh, that's it. Oh, that's it. Are you watching?
Yeah,
Mommy, Mommy.
of course I love you.
This digging so hard.
It's hard work.
Let me go take the bat and want my hands.
Check this excavator out.
No, that's a backhoe.
Oh, backhoe. There you
Yeah.
go, backhoe. Ah, good job, backhoe. Dig, dig, dig. We love playing outside, huh?
Yeah, it was.
We got our Tonka dump truck,
Yeah, and
our cat excavator.
yeah, it can wait.
No, it's not gonna rain. Cat bulldozer, a random assortment of excavators, and then we've got this cool thing over here. More cat bulldozers. We've got this awesome
I need to go
crane.
get that one. I need to go get that one.
Okay.
That one.
You're gonna get your big digger that you ride on?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Mommy,
We've got this awesome remote control crane here
I'm done.
for our dig site. You have to have a crane for a dig site. It fell.
It's so hard.
Got our ride-on excavator here.
Say you want my bulldozer? Yeah. This is so big.
It is.
See, wait.
Gonna do a lot of construction work today, huh, bud?
Oh, let's go well.
Uh-oh, we need our cones. That lets everybody know we have a construction area.
Yeah.
We do.
Oh, where put this in now?
I didn't. It fell out whenever you dropped your big excavator.
Oh. See what me?
Silly you.
Hey, did you?
Getting really full. What are you guys gonna do with it once it's full?
Dump it out.
Where are you gonna dump it?
Right here on our fridge.
Back in here? Playing in the dirt's so fun, huh?
Yeah, we love dirt. Get messy.
You love to get messy?
Yeah.
What's fun about getting messy?
When you came back.
You get to take a bath afterwards?
Yeah.
Is that what you like about getting dirty?
Not the other blue one. You, Mommy.
Yeah, you're patting it nice and flat. Great job. Oh, it's getting so full. We're gonna dump it out?
Yeah.
All right, let's see it. You gonna lift it up and dump it out, Tristan?
Yeah.
All right, let's see you do it.
I will do it.
You can both do it. If you do it right there, it's gonna go on you.
Okay. Yeah.
All right, Tristan, you gonna help Kaden dump that out?
Yeah.
All right, lift it up. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, look at all that dirt. That was a great job. Oh, thank you. Awesome job, construction crew. Good job.
Oh, I just fell.
Be careful.
Oh, it's in my way. Alligator.
Yeah, dumped it out.
What? Dump it out. Take it. Go backwards.
Okay, and then let's try to scoop it.
It's going. It's doing it. See it coming?
Yeah.
I do it too.
There it is. Here you go.
Okay.
It's tricky.
Dump it out.
Great job.
It's whipping.
Yeah. Great job, construction crew.
What's up? There. Nene, you up there? I'm moving. Look, I'm moving.
Awesome. I love that awesome excavator. And that big metal dump truck. Whoa. Flip the dump truck. Oh, that was sweet of you to ask if he was okay. Yeah, you want to flip him back over so you can put the rock in the back?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, he's so heavy. There you go.
Okay, when we get this.
I see. All right, there's your dump truck. Whoa, careful. Wow, that excavator's got a lot of dirt, huh? Yeah, cool. This is quite a cool construction zone we've got here, guys.
What is that?
I don't know.
Oh, it's a wall.
There's a moth. Could be. Maybe Luna Girl's on her way. Yeah, because Luna Girl has moths.
Beep, beep. Oh, I can't do it.
Awesome job. Daddy's gonna be so happy that you helped him. Daddy's digging all this up. He's gonna pour some concrete, huh?
Yeah, he put some concrete.
Yeah. So he's dug all this stuff up and now you guys are helping him finish it off. It was nice of him to make this fun area for you guys, huh?
Oh,
I don't know.
What are you doing? I think it's so hard.
Here, your bulldozer can help push that dirt around. Let me move that. Here he comes. Here you go, guys. Scooped in some dirt for you.
Wait, don't
Cat's cow. You singing? Whoa, look at that. That's a lot of dirt. Okay. What you got, Tristan? You getting rocks?
Yeah.
Whoa, that's a lot of rocks. You're doing a great job. I see.
All done.
All done.
No.
No? Yeah, I don't think we can get that out.
Mommy.
It won't come out. It's a root. They don't come out.
Come out.
It's a root.
Wait.
It's a root in the ground from a tree. Tristan, you look awful cute. You look awful cute.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Daddy.
Yep.
Daddy, this is hard.
You guys like digging?
Yeah.
You like dirt?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, say thanks for watching.
They watching.
Like and subscribe
Like what?
to Two Brothers Play. All right, say bye.
Bye.
Bye. See you next time, friends.
I want you.
Maybe from the bathtub.
I want you.
Bye. See you soon.